Guys, we found an awesome product. Yo, look at this, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be discussing another type of product research method. Now, you don't need this. You don't need to have the web app, the Jungle Scout web app, in order to do this. The only thing that you guys do need is the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. So the first thing that we're going to do is go on Google and type in Amazon new releases. So if you watched my previous video on how I found a $17,000 a month product, I basically use the bestseller version of this. But however, we're going to try and find some new release products that are. First thing that you guys want to do when you get on this page is Amazon hot new releases. The same concept applies when it comes to bestsellers, like we did in a previous video. Here, let me minimize this a little bit. So the same concept. It's the same thing. So what you guys have to do is look at these categories and you basically click on any one. So let's go to let me see here. Let's go to pet supplies, and what you want to do is keep clicking on the different niches according to the product. Now the deeper that you go in a niche, the more those products that you're going to find that not a lot of other people are finding as well. And the reason we want to do this method is also because if we're going to be able to find products that just came out and are already doing well and already they're selling a lot of units each month and have a high demand, that means that they're going to have low competition as well because they just came out. And that's going to tell us that we're going to be able to jump onto it as well. So of course, with any Amazon product, we always want to jump onto it as soon as possible, so that we don't have to worry about too much competition. But of course, using the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, we're going to be able to check that. So going to pet supplies, let's click on dogs. It's a big niche. Let's see here. We want to go deeper in the niche to find more specific products. So see apparel and accessories. Now this was a good product. It's pretty competitive now. I wouldn't get into it. I was going to get into it. It also didn't really have a good profit margin because they weigh quite a lot when you try and ship them over. So let's see here. Let's see, anti-anxiety. An anti-anxiety dog jacket. Let's look that up real quick, because that that's another thing too with these products. Like whenever you find Amazon products, the ones that are going to be good are products that people don't think of on the top of their head. Like, why would someone need a an anxiety jacket for their dog? So what was it again? Anti-anxiety. So anti-anxiety dog jacket. Now I usually don't like to have 4 keywords on here. I'd rather have at most 3, but it looks kind of competitive. Let me see here. Have this guy. You have this guy. Oh no, that's not even okay. This product doesn't look that good, and it's probably also because the keywords are they're kind of specific, and there's a couple people in here with a lot of reviews. So that's a no go for that product. So let's get out of there. Let's see. Now, one thing that we can do, like I mentioned in a previous video, don't let these products like confuse you or hold on. Don't let these products like overwhelm you or make you get make you disappointed when you look at it and see that it's really competitive, right? So there's always an alternative thing that you can do as well when you find these products. Just scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you just use this tab, find products that are related to it or what other people have also viewed that is related to it, and you can basically just click this arrow right here and you'll be able to find products that are related to it that might not be as competitive. So let's search here. And it looks like, I guess this has a patent for it. Hmm. And a lot of people, they don't do this as well. When they do their product research, they'll find a competitive product. They'll be like, oh, well, it's not a good product, so I'm going to move on. They don't actually do this method right here. So, because you guys got to remember, with products that have high demand, people are probably buying accessories with it as well. So, all right, we're not really finding anything with this, so let's move on to the next thing. Dog bandanas, that's probably competitive or very subjective. Let's see, let's go deeper into the niche now. Hair accessories, dresses, costumes. Alright, let's see here. Yeah. Alright, so we're not really finding anything that looks like it'd be something that you'd be able to sell. So let's actually go back out of here now. Let's go to training and behavior aids. Um, bark collars, training clickers, training leashes. And basically, guys, this is the whole concept of what you guys are going to do now. It's product research. I'm not going to say it's easy. I'm not going to say it's hard, but it's very procedural. And once you put enough time into it, you'll understand that it just takes a little bit of time to find these products. So scrolling down here, and a lot of these products, like I said, they're not going to be products that you normally see. So let's change the category here. So let's go into, we found a good product in beauty and personal care last time, so let's go back into here. Tools and accessories. Let's do salon and spa equipment. Alright, so I found something on here that might. It looks like blackhead removers. Now, guys, these are probably electronic items. That does not mean that you guys cannot sell them. Don't make the fact that it's electronic push you away from being able to sell it, right? So let's go ahead and search that. What's it called? Blackhead remover vacuum. Blackhead remover vacuum, just 3 keyword or 3. Alright, let's run the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. Guys, we found an awesome product. Yo, look at this, guys. This is pretty cool. Wow. Alright, so okay, so the top seller here, the guy that's ranking #1, that's not even sponsored, is making $27,000 a month just from 45 reviews. That's crazy. And you guys got to remember too, when people get on Amazon and see these type of products that are electronic, they're gonna be like, "Oh, I don't want to get into that." Oh, they're too scared to get into it. And look at this guy, right? This guy is doing $32,000 a month with 0 reviews. How insane is this? Look at this. Blackhead. This guy. Holy crap. Okay, 8 reviews, 10,000. All right, let's go into it. Let's look at the next page related to it real quick. Why is it? Let's go into the next page to just reaffirm this. Look at this stuff, bro. 2-in-1 blackhead remover. This thing's selling for $29.97. 0 reviews. $42,000 a month. Okay, so the final thing that we're going to, in order to, reaffirm this, in order to make sure that this is a product that we can actually sell, is figure out if it's patented, right? So, this is actually pretty cool, guys. Now, of course, with any electronic item, the return rate might be slightly higher than regular ones, but that should not stop you from getting into this product. That doesn't mean anything, right? We still want to jump onto this. So, blackhead remover vacuum. Is that how you spell vacuum? Yeah. So guys, apparently this product has a product has a patent that is pending right now, or it's being filed, or an application has been sent in for it to be patented. So it's going to take a while for it to be actually patented, for it to actually go through. So with that being said, guys, honestly, I'd jump on it. Like, seriously, if you see people on there that are making that much, it's honestly, it's up to you guys on what you want to do. But I think that you're going to be able to jump on it and see some type of success, even if it's short term, because this patent isn't even filed yet. So if a patent is expired, or it hasn't even been filed, or it's pending, it's still going to take a long time for someone to either renew their patent, or to have it finally filed and have it to official. So of course you guys do more research on this if you want, but apparently I would do it right now. Like, I just jump onto it, and especially if you see all these people doing it, and these people making this type of money on it, I definitely jump on it and see what you could do, because these numbers are crazy. But yeah, guys, we found an amazing product, and it's not even patented yet. It has a patent that is trying to be established, but honestly, I'd jump onto it if it was me. I'm not saying you guys should do it. It's probably not great for the long term, but I'd try and jump on it if you guys can. Now, if you're seeing this video in the future, of course, don't jump onto it now. Like, if you're seeing this video like 6 months down or a year down, you shouldn't jump onto it. So my message to you guys, just to be careful if you do see products similar to this, but if your product is if its patent is expired, or it's not actually filed yet, I'd say you can jump onto it. Personally, that's what I would do. But it is a short-term thing. Then once it actually gets filed, of course, you're probably going to have to take down your listing, or Amazon's going to remove it for you. So you definitely should keep that in mind as well. But with that being said, guys, hopefully you understand this concept. Of course, with any product research game, this isn't all sunshine and rainbows, but it gets it started. It reminds us of what the problems that we may run into, and also, you might find a product like this out there that is completely legit, has no patent pending for it at all. But like I said, this product is probably still a go. I definitely still jump onto it, right? So yeah, apparently it's right here. I clicked on it earlier. I was trying to read this, but apparently it's not. There's been an application that's filed for it, so it's not actually official for the patent. So let me see. At least that's what I think, because yeah, it's only been filed. So. But you guys can check it on different websites as well. But hopefully you understand this video. I'm not going to go on with this, but you guys understand the concept of what you guys have to do in order to find products like this. It's very, and something like this is not it's not something that you think of every day. So when you're going to look for these products, of course you have to go in specific categories and find products on here that are going to be able to provide someone with a need, but at the same time, it's not going to be something that you're going to think of at the top of your head. So that's why you want to go look at these products that are in these categories, and even if even if you decide not to jump onto this one, here, once you click on it, scroll all the way down, you can find other products that are related to it. So hopefully, with that being said, you understand this concept is very easy and simple to do. Not a lot of people think of it. All of them try to use a web app on Jungle Scout, and they find the same products and they're trying to sell it, and have everyone else doing the same thing. So make sure you like the video, make sure you comment down below on what you guys think. Now for this product, if you're watching it you know, a week, or for this video, if you're watching it like a week or a month down, just do more research on the patent, and see if it's you know, been you know, completely filed, because from what I've looked at, it's not official yet. So you guys can jump onto it. I would jump onto it, but just remember it's for the short term. So that being said, guys, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace.